Let's try this bottle gourd. This is another idea for you guys. I have milkfish. Yan po ay bangos. Ayan. Pero, konti lang yung aking hihahalo sa aking gulay. So, mayroon akong bottle gourd. Opo, ika nga, ano. So, we will cut it into small pieces. So, napakasimple lang. Igigisa lang natin ang bottle gourd. Do you know guys that the bottle gourd is more tasty than hairy gourd and zucchini? So try this bottle gourd. So we have the garlic and onion and also the tomato and chili for spicy and decoration to our vegetable. So let's cook. We will fry first the milkfish. So ayan, the milkfish. I like deep fry, so I deep fry the milkfish. After that, I remove some oil. Then let's salt the garlic and onion and tomato. After adding the bottle gourd, we will add the ground pepper, magic syrup, and light soy sauce. That's all our seasoning for vegetable. If you want spicy, you can add chili. Because me, I like chili, so I add chili. If you don't like spicy, just leave it. No need to add the chili. After a few minutes, it's now done. Actually, I add also brown sugar. So a little bit sweet. I add brown sugar. And salt. To taste, guys. If the vegetable is too dry, you can add some water. Dahil luto na siya, pwede na natin i-add ang pritong isda, the milkfish. Ayun. So it will more tasty. Pagkatapos ng ilang minuto, ayan, pwede na tayong kumain ng ating nilutong napakasarap. Try nyo na guys. The best. Ang sarap.